Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a new and secret method to make money online. By reading English written pages like this, in 3 easy steps, you want to earn up to $5 and even $10 per page you read. This method of making online money is the perfect way to make an extra $200 per day. Here, you can see right away that we've been paid through PayPal. But the question is, where did these numbers come from? Let's do some fast math. You could make up to $50 by reading 5 pages. You could make up to $100 by reading 10 pages. You could make up to $200 by reading 20 pages. All of it is up to you. This method can be used anywhere in the world, at any time of day because there are no limits on how many pages you can read each day. Still have time in the evening, at lunch, or on the weekend. Then this secret method will get you to financial freedom faster. In this method, you do not need any experience, investment, or degree. But before we go any deeper, let me show you my Warrior Plus earning. And as you can see, my today's earning is $584, and yesterday earning is $1,289. Or you can see I made $25,840 in last 30 days, and all these earning are possible with the help of my mentor Glenn Koski. And if you want make same money like me, so please check out my first link in description and you will redirect it to this page. And as you can see, clone our high ticket system that makes us over $1,000 plus per day. This is my mentor course that helped me to make $1,000 per day. That course have 100% potential to help you to make thousands of dollars. And this course original price is $997. But if you will purchase this course with my link, you will get 98% discount. And this offer is valid for very limited time, so don't miss this opportunity. Just check my description first link and let's move into the video. Hiresine is a platform completely focused on helping hardworking people achieve their financial dreams by offering freelance jobs that can be done from home. Their header says it all: find work that hits your financial goals faster with the world's most ambitious startups and well-known global brands. Build rewarding relationships in the world's work marketplace, your home for the work you want. In addition to the proof of payment we just looked at, we immediately see several 5-star reviews of freelancers currently working through Hiresine. Some as researcher and designer, others as client care or proofreader. Their vision is simple, easy to do work online or offline. Best payout rates and timely payment. Easy and simple, just the way we like it. On this channel, as we've seen above, there are several freelance jobs on Hiresine, including typing work, designing work, and paid survey jobs. But the method we're interested in is on the next page. Let's scroll back up and click on Start Working. On the next page, we immediately see several possible jobs with estimates of what you could earn in each sector. The one we are interested in is proofreading jobs. Now we see what Hiresine is looking for: people who can work either full-time or part-time remotely. Since our goal is to collect as many income streams as possible, we are particularly interested in the part-time remote job vacancies. When we have a closer look, we can see that they are looking for proofreaders who have demonstrated superlative proofreading and editing skills. No worries. By editing, they mean if you see an error or typo in a page you need to read, you immediately replace a misspelled word with something that suits a sentence better. As mentioned here, we can see the requirements for these kind of proofreading jobs. The most important technical ones are that you are 16 years old of age, have a device to do the work, and have an internet connection. On the other side, the most important skill is having elementary proofreading skills. Do you doubt your knowledge to write or improve in the English language? No problem. We got you covered. Before we move on to Hiresine.com, I'll show you my way to make sure you can even start today as a proofreader. For this, we'll move on to the next step. Step 2. To ensure that we deliver perfect proofreading work, we are going to use Grammarly.com. Grammarly.com is an AI-powered app that makes your proofreading life easier. Compose bold, clear, mistake-free writing with Grammarly. As you can see for ourselves, when Grammarly is installed, all the texts you write in your mail, social media, or even in your notes are immediately reviewed by Grammarly. If there are any mistakes or some sentences could be written better, Grammarly immediately suggests the solution. We are going to choose the free version of Grammarly since it is good enough to get started as a proprietary. Now we click on Get Grammarly to create our free account. Next up, you need to fill in your email address, choose a password, and enter your name. Accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy by clicking the check mark. Finally, we click Agree and sign up to finalize our account. Grammarly will give us a verification code that we need to enter in this box. After copying the code, we are redirected to the next page. Now they are going to ask us 3 questions to magic Grammarly skills to our work. First, we choose work. Then we click on mistake-free writing and sounding fluent in English. Last, we click on work and our personalization is done. Now we can download Grammarly on our desktop or smartphone. This process is very simple and straightforward. That's why we don't have to discuss this process in detail. If we now return to a similar proofreading task like we saw at the beginning of this video, we can immediately see why we chose Grammarly. It suggests completely replacing or improving certain words or phrases to make your text perfect. Awesome, right? For the final step of this video, we return to Hiresine where we're going to see how to apply for any proofreading jobs. Before we move on to the last and most important part of this video, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what you think of this online money-making method. Step 3. Now that we are back on Hiresine.com, we immediately see why we think they are the best provider of proofreading jobs. They offer competitive pay where it can be paid between $5 and $50 per page. Yes, you read correctly, per page. From our own experience, we know that on average one earns $10 per page, which is still tremendously good. On top of this, once again the flexible hours are mentioned and you will join a pool of proofreaders across the globe with whom you can improve your skills together. Now it's time to apply for proofreading jobs. Let's go on by clicking on apply here for a proofreading job. We immediately click on the application form. Now we fill in our data as we have done here. As an example, of course, you can fill in everything as you wish, such as when you want to start working, your current work status, and so on. Note: select the right job you are interested in, namely a proofreading job. Is everything filled in terms of service and privacy policy checked? Then click register and soon Hiresine.com will contact you to get started as a proofreader. And again, now you are all set to start earning up to $200 or more per day by fulfilling proofreading jobs.